Hello and welcome to this quick 5-minute yoga flow that you can do when you're limited on space and or time. So no prompts are necessary for this particular practice, but if you use them, feel free to incorporate. Otherwise, I'm going to invite you to begin to come through to a kneeling position and maybe taking this knee slightly wider, palms down in contact with the thighs. I will take a few rolls of the shoulders, taking the shoulders up. And then back. And beginning to settle in. As when you are ready, we'll begin to invite our left ear towards our left shoulder as I face you, I'm aspiring to mirror. So we're going to bring that left ear towards the shoulder. Right hand can begin to drip down towards the earth or the long edge of the mat if you're using one. A further option is beginning to bind, taking that right hand towards the lower back, maybe over towards this left side. Just taking a lovely stretch along the neck. Beginning to stack the head, right hand beginning to come back onto the thigh. We'll just explore this on the other side. So we're going to take that right ear towards the shoulder. Left hand beginning to drip. Maybe we begin to bind. Just allowing the body to begin to arrive. And stacking the head, hand coming back to the thigh. And we're just going to begin to come through to a tabletop position of all fours, beginning to tuck the toes as we begin to arrive, beginning to take a little bit of a hip circle, shifting the weight side to side. And from here, we'll begin to come through to a toe balance. So beginning to walk the hands towards the knees, pressing the earth away. So coming onto the balls of the feet. I'll just move slightly forward. And we can stay quite low, torso in contact with the thighs, hands going slightly wider than shoulder width. A few of you may choose to take the hands to the thigh themselves, lifting the shoulders up. We're going to begin to explore a twist. Left hand coming towards that right near thigh. Right hand to the hip, again beginning to bind. Just ensuring that that left knee doesn't shoot forward. We're scissoring the legs. Eyes, or maybe the chin beginning to go over that right shoulder. We'll begin to release our twist. Hands onto the thighs. We're beginning to explore on the other side. Checking in with that right knee. And beginning to release. From here, we're going to begin to come up to standing, pressing into the earth. Arms beginning to rise, and then we'll take a gentle cactus. We'll take the arms up. Beginning to come into a chair pose. Your choice of lifting the heels. And we'll begin to come back through, releasing the hands. Knees coming down towards the earth. We're just going to begin to transition onto the sit bones, taking the legs out in front. And as we begin to arrive, beginning to bend that right knee. Now, different paths. We could stay right here, right foot. Maybe taking that right foot over the left, or beginning to bring that left heel in towards the sit bone. Right hand along left hand along that right leg. Maybe the inner elbow hugging the knee. We'll begin to release the twist, and then we're going to take that right hand over towards the left. Right hand coming down, beginning to take the legs back out, arms rising, and then we'll begin to hinge and fold. 2 rounds of breath here. begin to lift. And just beginning to explore on the other side. Left foot coming in, across, maybe heel to sit bone. And beginning to explore. Casually taking that left hand up and then over, side body stretch. And beginning to release. Taking the legs out. Inhaling up, exhaling, hinging. Maybe saying a gentle yes or soft no with the head. And when we're ready, we'll begin to release. And we're just going to finish with a butterfly pose, taking the soles of the feet towards each other, taking a diamond or maybe a triangle shape with the legs. Lengthening, lifting, and then we'll begin to hinge, leading with the chin. Elbows coming along the thighs or the inner legs. You may go a little bit deeper, maybe the nose to the toes. Beginning to lift the torso up and just beginning to come back through to your easy seat. Hand to the heart, hand to the navel. And casually beginning to take the hands together at the heart, bowing the head in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you for joining me for this very quick 5-minute yoga flow that again you can take anywhere and at any time. Have a very blessed day.